Hello, fellow crafters. I just wanted to bring you up to date right on the first day of 2020 and what I've been working on. And one of the things that I started in 2019 was a recipe book, and this is what I've been working on the last couple of weeks, I would say, getting things together. The folder, I bought that at a dollar store type of thing. Don't remember which one that was. And what I did is I covered it in scrapbook paper, recipe, and the side. And then the back is original. These are the colors that the book came in. I just thought of leaving that there because I like the different kind of colors. And then I put a piece of the cutouts here, and I did put my logo here so I can go back and remember 2019 was all about that logo, and I'm still trying to finish it off. I put some clear contact paper to protect it when you have it in the kitchen. It's a very simple do-it-yourself recipe book. All the recipes should be either from what I have been making and what the family likes, and from Pinterest. So one of the things that I am including is spins and tips and extras, sauces, and instead of this, you can add this. Also, one pot and crock pot meals, as you can see here. Around one pot, and then in the back is the crock pot. I don't know what I'm going to put in the between, but it's plain paper. It's not regular printer paper. It is the type of paper that I use for my planner, and I'll catch you guys up on that as well, because I also made my 2020 planner with this kind of paper. It's a very silky, thick paper, and I'm going to just include everything there. I included a little pocket here. I added a little post-it notes here for notes, stickers that most likely I will be using constantly in here. One pot and crock pot. I don't have the crock pots, but I have the pot and little asterisks. And that is simple. It's a very simple recipe book. On these pages, it's going to be a 2-page per recipe with pictures. And I tried my hand at making the stickers for this because nobody has them out there. I have not seen them on Etsy. You know, how to make your own book, the recipe book. So I added the recipe, your ingredients, your preparation, maybe a picture over here, and little spins here. You know, I added this instead of this, and it came out like that. And everything else is just basic. I have little pieces of scraps, and I'm going to add little things here, but this is what I used. Little pieces of scrap of paper left over from the dividers, and a full divider, and then just regular, like I said, plain paper, the specialty paper, dividers. And then in the back, what I did, I had tons of these. What I'm trying to do this new year is going to use what I have and buy less. So I went through all my stickers, and I found this. I found these post-it repositionable divider things, or just, dividers. And what I'm doing is I attached it to the back. I made holes on the sticker page. And I'm keeping the stickers that I'm most likely going to use here, which is my food. In the back, I did start something. The idea behind this came from a YouTuber that I watch. And her YouTube, she shows how to plan and, you know, meals and how she makes them. And I'll try to link her YouTube channel down below. One of the things that I want to go ahead and do this year is white sauce. This one's a 1-pan chili lime chicken and rice. And these came from Pinterest, I believe. No, these came from a website. And if I remember what websites, I will put them down below. Lemon butter sauce for fish. Another sauce that I want to learn how to make is the lemon sauce. So I just put these together, but I'm going to write them out on my recipe book, honey mustard chicken and potatoes. Now the one that I got stuck on, and why I started this whole thing, was because there's this thing that she calls, her name is Plasma Speedos on YouTube. She calls it Monster Mash, and she'll give you the reason why she calls it Monster Mash. But it's originally called beef and rice with veggies, but there's so many spins on it. She put so many different things into her meal. And these are her, this is a photo of what she did in her recipe book. I'll put that there so you guys can pause it and see if you want to copy it down. And then here's what she puts in it, what she has mostly on hand. Her are put the, and then spins are Puerto Rican, you know, your Mexican, your meat, your and Italian, your Mexican, and those all Asians. These are Hellboy. Must her spin, and I'll put all plowed down below. Speedos, YouTube, chicken, her latest. The lemon, of course, you can breast sides. Putting it on a plates always at the end, but I'm not like this side spins until yet. And then teen crusts instead of breadcrumbs. So cracker, one of her dishes of bread she made. It was the meat, because it gives it more the saltiness, the flavor of it. And that's what I'm doing. I'm still working on it, trying to paste this down here with these little clips. I'm holding them there. And I just put paper protector or that clear contact paper. I might cover this and I might not. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys are having a great start to a new year. And that's how I'm starting my new year, is starting with using the stuff that I have and buying less. Doesn't mean I won't go out. It doesn't mean I won't buy, but I'm going to try really hard to buy less and use more of my stash. Later, there's going to be a trip of my craft stashed areas where I keep all my stuff and my crafting area, if you haven't seen that. So, thank you guys for sticking around, all my crafty fellow crafters. Sorry, I'm winded. But there you are. I even put the date there. So, that's an idea if you want to start something and maybe hand it down to somebody someday. Alright, fellow crafters,